All right, Monday, another day, another dollar. DDTG brought to you by Kraken. If you're going to trade crypto, do it right. No sketchy platforms, no sketchier customer support. That's why we only trust Kraken. Kraken lets you buy, sell, swap over 300 cryptos without the lag, crashes, or clownery. Buying crypto manually, that's old school. Recurring buys lets you automate your investments so you can stack stats without even thinking about it. DCA done right. Buy more when prices dip, less when they spike. Link your bank in minutes. Set it, forget it. Let your portfolio grow. Kraken Pay. This is the ad for today, huh? They're not even going to. Oh, because you can't join the contest anymore. Kraken Pay. Instant crackle payments. No more. I'll Venmo you later. Excuses whether you're covering a lost bet, splitting the tab after a night out, or sending funds for the rest of your next wild adventure. Kraken Pay lets you move money instantly. Zero fees, no bank or holidays holding things up. Oh, and if you refer your friends, Kraken will hook you up with $200 USDG just for spreading the love. So quit waiting. Head to kraken.com/Barcel. Not investment advice. Crypto trading involves a risk of loss offered to U.S. customers, excluding Washington, New York, and Maine through Payward Interactive Inc. Listen, last week we sat on this very platform, and people in the comments, they it's nonsense in the comments a lot. But this is a real show with access to a real huge brain. And I was telling you guys last week, what was I saying on DDTG? What was I saying? I was talking about BMNR, Bitmine Immersion Technologies, Inc. It was $53, $57. I'm like, should we buy it? It was up to 137 3 days later. It's down 20% right now before the bell at 105. But I mean, this is why you come to the show. This is why you listen. This is why you lift all them weights, Lawrence Taylor, to get stuff like that. Crypto's doing good. Bitcoin 108. It's been between 100 and 110, I feel like, for months. ETH 2,500. XRP up to about 229. So XRP is doing well too. So everything's doing fairly well. The summer, I assume we don't have like any earnings. Yeah, nothing for earnings. Slow summer. Saratoga Investment Corp. I don't know what that is. I'm wearing the hat. Delta before the opening on Thursday. I don't know what Helen of Troy is. WD-40, Levi's. That's about it. Slow. Yeah, no one works 9 to 5. That's true. Pete didn't come up the stairs today. Peaches has been a little bit sick. She ate a bag of clothes, basically. USA for life. Listen, if I see a pic, we're live at the bell. I'm looking for something. I mean, you knew Bitmine would go down today, but that's such a volatile stock, down 25% today. Circle is up 5%. I didn't get involved in Circle. I don't know if that's going to be one I regret. It's at a buck 198. I feel like I missed that train. No coffee today. I got a stomach ache. I'm not sure if I've become lactose intolerant. I don't know if that's a thing. Riot's down 4.5%. Mara's down 2%. Nothing crazy. Tesla down 7%. Now, is Tesla down 7% because of Elon and the American Party? You know, I'm debating whether I want to do like a daily politics show, and I know I shouldn't because I hate politics, but I'm becoming my dad. And I don't know if it's just my entire like Twitter feed or whatever. It's everything's politics, and I have opinions on everything. But then I know once you talk about it, you're stuck in that world, and it's miserable. It's a miserable world. But like I'm bubbled up, so then I just will go watch like sports or bet on horses or something, take my mind off it. But is Tesla down because of Elon? The name of the show, by the way, would be I Hate Politics. But because there's so much slant, there's so much bullshit. I'm looking at Tesla. Is that just because of the American Party and Tesla fighting? Let's look at the latest news. Down 7%. I'm just looking right now at Cult of Musk. Why Tesla down with a sad face? I think people are just saying it's because, everyone. And listen, if you're a Tesla shareholder, which I am, you're beholden to how Musk wakes up and feels. And this American Party, like, give me a break. Like people think Donald Trump is a Looney Tune. And I don't. Like, I think Trump, for the most part, is consistent. And like I've said with tariffs, he'll make the right move when it comes down. He goes on and off and he negotiates. Elon Musk is crazy, man. He's off the rocker crazy. Like, he's somebody who wakes up after having sex with 3,000 different girls or whatever, 19 different kids, and he's like, I want to nuke somebody. He would nuke somebody. Like, I don't trust Elon Musk. Elon Musk, he brilliant, crazy, eccentric madman. That's how I would describe Elon Musk. And you got like Mark Cuban's joining the American. Mark Cuban, what? The American Party. He is probably the last guy I trust with like total power. And he again, brilliant. No doubt about that. But I don't get this American. Like this guy, you don't know what he's going to do second to second. The American Party. So that if you own Tesla, you just wake up and you see what he's up to, I guess. Like, I think right now is a great time to buy Tesla. This is one of them that's down 7% for no reason other than Musk being a madman. I still think the company's good, but I guess it's contradictory, but you're just beholden to him. What's it now? Like, I'm debating whether I should buy it. It's down 7.5%. It's at 291. It's just, do you risk putting like I have a new philosophy. Put a shit ton of money in companies that get dinged for like quickly. Like I gave you that DraftKings one, that stupid law passed, and DraftKings down like 7%. I'm like, if you have dry powder, you can make 10% like this. And I did, and I made money. I'm thinking right now with Tesla, it's down 8%. I think that'll get that 8% back within a week or two. Assuming Elon, though, doesn't do something so, like, crazy. And it's almost a safer bet he's going to do something crazy or say something crazy. Like, he's a madman. When you say madman, that's Elon. Elon is a madman. The American Party. Please. I like the idea of a third party. Who doesn't like the idea of a third party? Both parties suck. I don't need Elon's party. With Mark Cuban, give me a break. That party stinks. The Madman Party, that's what should be called. To control the swing votes? What is that going to fucking do? So you just want power? Because then once it's elected, you got no power again. Just like Elon found out you're not actually president, and they threw a temper tantrum, took his little ball, his binky, stuck it in his mouth, and went home. 7.5. A stock. Someone said, hey, do stocks. And what do you think I'm talking about? How do you think this started? I'm looking at Tesla. It's down 7.5%. I'm debating, do I put 10 million into Tesla right now? Hope to make 10%. That's $1 million. That's how I look at the world. Do stocks. What do you think I'm doing? You think this is just a kiddie show? Do you think we're just fucking sitting here playing tiddlywinks? I got my hammer here, and in my brain, it's cranking like this. Do I put 10 million in Tesla right now because it's down 7.5, and I wait till it gets 10%, which I think is 2 weeks? I make $1 million. I go to Saratoga. Opening day is this Thursday, even though it was really last week, but I'm jumping on a plane Wednesday, going to Saratoga. Do I take that million, wait for the Saratoga sale on Whitney Week, and buy $1 million gray horse? What do you think we're doing here? Do stocks. Did you see? You can't see my brain turning? We'll name the horse. What will he name that $1 million gray horse if I do it this way? American Party? No. Anti-Trump tariffs coming back will drop the price more. Yeah, Trump is doing the EV. Do you mean tariffs and everything? Is Trump just threatening? Is that part of it? Well, the EV tariffs on, interesting point. American Dream, that's probably a horse is taken, I guess. Trump is threatening probably to do the EV credits or whatever. The Gray Party, that's a good one. Jimmy Trollins. Crazy Musk horse. It's not a bad name. Is it what are the tariffs? Is he threatening more tariffs? I'm looking it up. Does he threaten more? Oh, it's just everything. So this is best at St. Tariff. So a boomerang back to April levels by August 1st for countries without deals. Listen, I don't care if at this point if tariffs boomerang, because when they boomerang, the stock market will go down. People like me are going to sit here with tears streaming down our face. Tariffs, what could happen? I lost $10 million in a minute. And I did. But I also bought, and then I'm cumulatively up. So if the tariffs boomerang, then you just got to have dry powder to buy it. So maybe I saved that. Oh, this game of ours. This what is it? This Vita? No, this what is the Costa Nostra, this life of ours, this crazy game of ours. Am I out on crypto? A fish? What does that mean? I have like 7 million of crypto and Kraken with Bitcoin, ETH, XRP. Am I out of the trenches? I'll do it. I'll delve once in a while, but I'm not publicly doing it. If people copy my wallets and get fucked or whatever, that's on their thing. But every once in a while, I'll trench every once. The trenching in which I become the lead trencher. No thanks. Not worth the headache. I don't make any money on that. All I do is have that guy with the poop on the front of his pants, a million of them bitching. No thanks. Gray Hammer, I like this. Should I buy? I'm thinking about Tesla, people. All right. I'm going to go get a coffee. It's a gray lady starting to burn off in Nantucket. Saratoga, opening day, Thursday, even though I've been betting every race this past week, but that was really Belmont, but actually Saratoga. Very confusing. Rabbit.